Hello, and thank you so much for joining me here. I'm finally taking a turn from the cold I caught during Christmas. And so I decided to just take it easy this week and just do a shorter video. And today I'm making my favorite marbled Valentine's Day cookies. I'm hoping your New Year's has been good to you so far. Mine has been quite peaceful, and I am extremely grateful for that. So here I'm separating the dough into two pieces, and one piece will be colored to a pink color, and then later I'll mix them together.
Grateful for the warmth of morning light, easy smiles and gentle hands, breathing in the peace within the flow. Life is shining where I stand. La 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 la, la 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 la. Simple moments paint the day. Ocean whispers, breathe the breeze. Every wave a chance to say thank you for the little things. Hear the laughter, hear the sea flowing close inside of me. Grateful for the warmth of morning light, easy smiles and gentle hands, breathing in the peace within the flow. Life is shining where I stand. La 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 la, la 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 la.
So now this will sit in the refrigerator anywhere from about 30 to 45 minutes. Aren't they just so pretty? And a bit of blueberry thyme goat cheese. I try to eat goat cheese every day because it is high in MCT oil, which is great for stamina strength, especially when one is exercising. Thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful day or evening, and I'll see you soon.